Introducing the 2022 Volkswagen Golf R-line 1.5 TSI 130 horsepower 5-door in sleek black. This estate vehicle is equipped with top-of-the-line features such as Bluetooth, satellite navigation, lane departure warning, and much more. With safety and security in mind, enjoy ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Plus, the privacy glass and spoiler add a stylish touch. Rest assured, with a full health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit laharts.ie for more information on this impressive vehicle. Drive in luxury and safety with the 2022 Volkswagen Golf R-line.